Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty well today. I got a really quick tutorial for you today, and this is going to be how to create user themes. If you don't know what a user theme is or what the themes are in general in DCS, they are basically all of the the lobby screen or the menu screen and the loading screens and things like that in DCS. So to do this, really easy. First thing you want to do is you want to download or take some screenshots in DCS for the resolution of your monitor. So, or in my case, it's 1920 by 1080p. You can search for images just with that resolution, find some that you like, and then download those. So I have gone and found a few that I want to use for this. Next thing that we're going to do is we are going to get to the location for where we install our user themes. So go to your saved games directory. So for me, C drive, users, my user, saved games, DCS or DCS open beta. For me, DCS open beta. Mission editor, themes, main, ME, and then here we are. So these are ones that I already have installed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the three that I have decided I want to use, and I'm going to put them here. So these are just three screenshots that I've taken. 1, 2, and oops, not that one. This one is the other one. So we're gonna use these ones. So I think this is the one that I want to have as my background. So the three different things that we're going to name them, we have base dash menu dash window PNG and briefing map default PNG and loading window PNG. And I'll talk about this main menu logo in just a second. You also want to make sure that your images are PNGs. I don't know if this works with JPEGs, but just do PNGs. It works. So it does work. I know it does. And if the images you downloaded were JPEGs or any other thing, there are a lot of different free online converting things. Or if you have Photoshop or GIMP or any photo manipulating program, you can just open it in that and then export it as a PNG. That also works. But anyway, so you are going to want to look at what these names are and name them exactly that. So this is the one that we want to have be our main screen when we launch DCS. So we're going to call this one base-menu-window. It's already PNG. Actually, hold on, going to get rid of these three first, and I have them saved. I like to keep a backup of those so I can easily swap them out. Let me do that again. Base menu window for our loading screen, which I think we want to have be we'll do this one here. Rename this one, and then you want to call that, check what it's called because I forget. Loading dash window PNG. And then for our third one, which is the little thing that's going to be in the box in the corner in the briefing, you want to call that briefing map default with those hyphens. Briefing map default. Now, in the corner with a lot of the themes, you have something that'll say maybe F16 or F4E Phantom 2, for example, here. If you want to do that, which, because we're doing Phantoms, I'm going to use that because I like to have that there. To access that for the Phantom, you have your main directory for DCS, so not saved games, then DCS open beta, mods, aircraft, whichever aircraft, then theme, ME, and then you have here. So here are all of the different, you have your base menu window, your briefing map, and your loading window, like we just put in. This is the default one for the Phantom, and then you have your main menu logo. You can make any image be that, as long as it's the right size. I think this is let's see, where is it? 256 by 128 pixels. So it's a fairly small one. You could make your own. I've done that before. But this one works for me because it's for the Phantom. So I would just copy and paste that to our other location. And that's pretty much it. So I'll be right back once we are actually in DCS and I can show you what we did. All right, so here we are in DCS, and you can see this is what it looks like now with our screenshot that we have. This is the, what is that, the base menu window. And you can see we have our logo up here for F4E Phantom 2. Now, if we were to just open, and we'll just do this. Now you can see our loading window in the screenshot that we have there for that one. And now if we launch this here, we click the, if we click the fly mission button, then it'll pull up the briefing here, and then you'll see the screenshot that we have saved for that. So that pretty much covers it. Hopefully this was helpful to you. I always like creating my user themes instead of using the default ones. Usually I do actual photos, but I decided for the purposes of this video to kind of go off some of the screenshots that I've taken that I like for the Phantom. So anyway, as I said, hopefully this was helpful. If you want to consider liking or subscribing, that would be greatly appreciated, or hitting that super thanks. If you want to join the Discord too, I will link that in the description. Feel free to join that. We'd love to have you and get updates about streams, things like that, or just hang out and chat. But anyway, have a good one, and I hope that I'll see you in the next video.